Meanie. That's actually her sister. I was going to say that's from the other litter, but nope, that's her sister. Oh, here's a little brindle sable. Phantom guy. He's going to BC to live on an orchard. There he is. So now his parents, new parents. Oh, he's going in circles. Can see him in a video. Onyx cat. Hi. Love you. And this guy over there, the darker one, was that just zipped by. He's going to Toronto tomorrow. 8 weeks old. That's a girl out of Hazel and Hero. Bit of a red sable, but more, she'll probably just be cream. Anti-onyx with her terrible hair, with the burrs. I had to shave the top of her head off. It was just packed with burrs.